Good morning, cheeseheads. We are testing our emergency alert system. Our broadcast team has become famous for epic fails at sending alerts out to the public. We will never learn because we are retarded. Drop page. So, Mommy, when can I have my macaroni and cheese? Oh. I forgot I was still on. Well, I'm embarrassed now. Thanks a lot, you piece of...
My God. Calm down, it's not that bad. At least you don't have ADHD like me. Oh my God. I see a fly. I like cheese. I like cake. I like 2.
2 plus 2 equals fish. Millions of illegal immigrants live in the United States right now. I once farted in my mom's face, and she smacked me. I live in a box. I stepped in dog poop this morning. I like pie. I like cake. I like pasta. Oh my God, I'm gonna spaz out.